We got a Carolina Reaper on deck. Another with the babies. We got one ripening up back there. There's a thunderstorm brewing. What a beaut. I think it's ready to pick. I don't know. I think it's ready. It's a little bit. Is it still green? I don't know. You ready to get picked, little buddy? You ready to get picked? I'm gonna put a little napkin down. Let it fall. Let's see. Don't want to touch this bad boy. Ooh, I'm pretty weak. I can't even cut the. Yep, perfect. Boop. Alright, the other one will be ready soon. Despite the pepper. Probably gonna make a spaghetti. Make a little spaghetti with that one. Fire in the hole.